All right, I gave you this sheet in class. It is also located on your assignment that you have to do for your labeling activity for Chapter 5. I feel like people are getting this and they're going, oh my goodness. It's right here in your book, okay? So if you look in your book and you look at the structure of a vertebrae, a typical vertebrae, okay, what it looks like, it's right there. But I will go over the answers for this, okay? So we've talked about it in class, looking at this. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so A is right here, and you're looking at what's called the pedicle, okay? I'm not going to go in order. D here. D is going to be looking at the spinous process. And I'll move my hand so you can see. So the spinous process is the bony part that you would feel on the back of your spine here. Okay, A was pedicle, so that's connecting down here. B here is called the transverse process. And you have one on either side here. C is pointing to the lamina, and that is the same on both sides. E is pointing to the vertebral body, and that's going to look different on different types of vertebrae. So some of them are not really weight bearing, but when you get down into, this looks like a very typical lumbar vertebrae down here. This is going to be much bigger. And then F is pointing to the vertebral foramen. And that word foramen just means hole. So that would be here, and that is where the spinal cord is going to go through. So I'll go through them in order now. A is pedicle, that's here. B is transverse process, that's on either side. C is lamina, we see that on either side. D is the spinous process. E is the vertebral body. F is the vertebral foramen, the hole. So that is the anatomy of a typical vertebra.